Hey everyone, I'm not really sure what happened with our assignment earlier today, um, but I am a student in a class, in the faculty class. So I just wanted to show you what your assignment should look like, and it'll give you a student perspective, which I think will be a lot more helpful than me trying to troubleshoot it, not knowing what your end looks like. So I have I have this. It's partially filled out. I wanted to fill out a little bit with you all. Um, boop, 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 boop. Done. Okay. And I'm on it in like 3 different tabs. There we go. So just a reminder where we get our schedule from. We get our schedule from Aries and it's student.ousd.org. Okay, so student.ousd.org. And I am going to sign in as our friend. Sign in. And remember, your password is 00 and then your student ID number. If you need your student ID number, please let me know. I have all of your student ID numbers, so I can give that information to you over email. And this is where we figure out our classes. So we're gonna so Yameli is gonna have PE with Coach Chapman, first period, American History with Mix EW, for second period, and then for third period, English with Mix EW. And then advisory with me. So fun. So we can take that information, you can take a photo with your phone, you can make your screen smaller. That's our math project later. So you can make your screen smaller, and the way you do that is drag it, and then you can also take your assignment that you're working on and you can pull it over and you can fill it out like this. So you could say teacher for 0 period. We don't know who that person's going to be yet, so we're just going to put study hall because it's going to be a study period. Teacher for first period, we'll say it's Coach Chapman, so Coach C-O-A-C-H. We'll just put Coach C for now, and then PE. Then for second period, we have Mix EW, and that is going to be history. Then for third period, we have Mix EW again, and we have English. And then for fifth period, you have me, Mix Gray Wall, like your wall is gray, and it's advisory. Okay, so now that we have that all filled out, we don't really need this, so we can make our screen big again and drag it. And we can use this tiny little, like step 2 to fill out step 3. Okay, so write the teacher and subject into each of the green and yellow boxes on page 1. So for period 1, we have PE. And our teacher is Coach C, Coach Chapman. Okay. For period 2, we have history. And our teacher is Mix Every Worthman. For period 3, we have English. And our teacher is Mix EW. And then for 0 period, we have study hall. And we're going to learn more about that later. Period 3, English, Mix EW. 0 period, study hall. Period 1, we have PE. Teacher is Coach Chapman. Second period, we have history. Mix EW. For fifth period, we have advisory. So you all will have me all year for advisory. Mix Gray Wall. That's how you spell my last name. I'm not really sure what the shorter periods look like on Wednesday. They're asynchronous, so you can figure out what you need to work on during that time. And you'll also have study hall on period 0, so using that time for English might be better, right? So mix EW, and we have English and a study hall. For first period, we have PE and history with mix, or with Coach C and mix EW. Okay, so I have gone ahead and finished filling out my schedule. So let's finish reading the directions. So step 1, type your name. Ooh, I didn't even do step 1. Whoops. Student Liz. So I have my name on there. I filled out this from Aries. I filled out all of the green and yellow boxes, so those are all done. Now, on Friday, you're going to check your Google Calendar. I will have sent out a Google Calendar for math and science, and we're going to try again for advisory. And then Mix EW might have sent out one for history and English. You'll definitely have one for advisory, and if not, we'll troubleshoot that tomorrow. Yeah, so once we're all done, we have this button, either share or turn in, and we're going to want to turn it in. Okay, so turn in. And because it's in English and in Spanish, I just wrote a note to my profe saying, look at the English version. You can also say, look at the Spanish version. You can say nothing and I'll figure it out. Because there are 2 things that you're turning in, so it'll just make it a little bit easier. So that's all done. And I'll just wait for Profe Zach to grade it, I guess. Right? Okay. Yep. You do your work. So I've done it. Woo! And it's turned in. We see that there. And look at all these assignments. I haven't done any of these assignments. I've only done the one. So yeah, I hope that's helpful. If any of you are able to do it tonight, great. If not, we will do it together in the morning. I just want to make sure that it's working and that you can go in here and to see your assignment, because this is what it should look like. It shouldn't be empty, okay? Have a great rest of your evening if you see this. If not, we're probably watching it in class, and good morning. So see you soon. Bye.